Hey everyone, I'm excited to show you the new full screen Meet experience on Jamboard. I'm Jordan. Let's get started. Meet for Jamboard is a one-touch solution for quickly starting or joining a video conference from the board. It's fast, it's simple, it makes joining a meeting almost too easy. But first things first, let's schedule a meeting from Google Calendar. Meet for Jamboard utilizes G Suite's calendar app to schedule and assign meetings. So let's start there. Let's schedule a meeting and assign a Jamboard to it. Make sure you assign a Meet and a Jamboard to the event you're scheduling. Hit save, and we're done. Once your meeting is on the calendar, it'll appear in the upper right-hand corner of the board. Let's go check it out. Having your meeting already waiting for you on the Jamboard makes it really easy to get started right away. Just press here, and now we're in and ready to go. Hi, Nicholas. Glad you could join me today.
I think you're still muted.
Oh, 1 second. Make sure that your camera is on and your mic is unmuted to avoid any awkwardness. How's that? Can you hear me?
Yep, much better.
So Nicholas can see what I've been working on. I'm going to present my jam into the meeting. To present, you just press right here. I can still see and hear everyone in the meeting, but I'm just going to move this out of the way for a little more room. Nicholas, are you still with me?
Yeah, it looks great. But could we move signing the contract over to done? That was completed this morning.
Oh, sure.
Other than that, it looks great, Jordan. I need to jump on another call, but I'll see you in the meeting later.
All right, thanks, Nicholas. To end the call, just press right up here. With Meet for Jamboard, starting your meeting is only one touch away, giving you time back in your busy schedule. And I have to run to another meeting right now. Happy jamming!